welcome back to another motivational cleaning video. In today's video, I'm going to do a power hour motivational cleaning. My house is not in too bad a shape today, so I just have a few dishes. My floors are really dirty and dusty. I know y'all probably can't see those on videos, but I promise you they are. I would not be cleaning clean floors for nothing. So I want to try to clean my floors and vacuum, mop them. And then I do need to do a little bit of dusting because we live on a gravel road, so dust just gathers really fast here. And then I have some laundry that I need to do, and then I'd like to make my bed. I don't make my bed every morning. I used to be in that habit, but I've gotten out of it. So I feel better when I make my bed in the morning, and even if the rest of the bedroom is kind of like a mess, I feel like if the bed's made, then it kind of looks a little more put together. So I'm hoping to get a few of those things done, and then I just need to give my bathroom toilet and sink a quick wipe down. And then if I have enough energy after that, I may throw my bathroom rugs in the washer because I haven't washed them for a few weeks. And I hope this gives you motivation to see what all we can get done in an hour. Of course, this video is not going to be an hour long. I will speed it up. And I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you so much for watching my videos. It means friends. We've almost made it. I have just the laundry to fold and wipe things down in my bathroom. I'm not going to do a deep clean in here today. Just going to wipe down the sink, clean the toilet. I've already vacuumed and mopped in here and cleaned my mirror, and that's it. Okay, friends, we did it. We got a lot of things done within an hour. I hope this motivated you and inspired you to get some things done around the house. And remember, if you kind of set small goals and maybe little timers, maybe if you have a bigger space than mine and you have kids and you have a little bit more things that you want to clean up, set some timers in each room, and then just don't overthink it and get done what you get done in that time. And then go enjoy the rest of the day. And it's a beautiful day out. It's like 70 degrees. Enjoy time with your family and friends. You know, just put 10 minutes on. I'm going to put 10 minutes in the kitchen. I'm going to put 10 minutes in the living room, bathroom, etc. And then before you know it, you have many goals accomplished. Thank you guys for watching so much. I'm tired. So, thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it. It means so much to me, and I hope this motivated and inspired you to keep on keeping on. Thank you.